Beautiful peasant birds. Peasants are large, long-tailed game birds. The male have rich chestnut, golden brown, and black marking on their bodies and tails, with a dark green head and red face wattling. Females are mottles with paler brown and black. There are many color forms of the male common pheasants, ranging in color from nearly white to almost black in some animalistic examples. They are due to captive breeding and hybridization between subspecies and with the green pheasants, reinforced by continual releases of stock from varying sources to the wild. For example, the ring-necked pheasants, common in Europe, North America, and Australia, do not pertain to any specific taxon. They rather represent a stereotype hybrid swarm.